Good morning, dear crafters. Today we are going to make some cards and an envelope. Or pocket and some binding in there. It's easy. And some cardstock, some paper from your book paper, you tear it. If you want to have a really some ragged border, you tear it against you. Let's see, I have here. You see. So, and if you want to make it a little bit more rugged or tearing, you have we call it sandpaper. You can use the files for your nails as well, and you make it as how you want it. So, my dear crafters, you are so welcome to my channel. Hopefully this will be a fast one. So, you see, and then some ink, again. Yes, so we can use up all our cardstocks and papers. And I was thinking to have, let's see how I was thinking. This one here, and all the coffee cups over there. And here we have, am I in the frame? Yes. We are going to have this one over there. I think we are going to have this first. You have a mushroom like that. And I have a memento. And here we go. And some leaves in red, that kind of leaves. I think we have it there in the corner. I think it will be nice to have it like that. I think we take one more in the other corner. So it's only your imagination that stop you to do things. So now I am going to glue down this one. There we go. And I think we are going to have maybe, we glue this down as well. Yeah. And we take the coffee cups. So. And maybe we are going to have some more stamps, maybe. Or some, yeah, we can put this over there. I have a heart over here. I really don't think it's visible, is it? No. Japp. Jag filmar. So maybe it's my husband. So. Maybe we can take it over there. Some small collaging. I have the real thing over here, you see. So we can always have some here. I think we are going to glue it down over there. I think. There we go. Small text, really small. So we have some difference And that one, I think we are going to use double-sided tape. So. Sorry. Hopefully it's lost over there. So. Now we have these cards, and maybe I should have some text. Let's see where I have. I was thinking I have some of Tim Holt's text. Now I have cleaning so much, so I do not remember where I have it. But you get the idea of you have it, some text there or there. But we are going to finish our task here. It's not the whole world if we don't have the text. So now we are going to we could have green binding, but I think we are going to take this pink. So hopefully it's enough to make a bow over here. So, and then we are going to, we don't have to glue it together because for all the cards you have, you can stuff it to many cards if you have it loose. What happened? There. So, and we make a bow, maybe. There we go. Otherwise, we have to take a larger binding. I think it's enough. It's a cute little binding, I think. And we are going to have it in our out a red book. Over here I have a page I do not have done over here. Oh, where was it? There we have many there. Or we are going to have it. No, we have to have it like that. So we can have it like this. Yep. Or we can take, oh I know, here we are going to have it. So, we are going to glue it down. In how many ways? 2 sides or 3? I really don't know yet. Let's have something over here. So I think we are going to use a double side tape here. So, I hope you all are well. But I know you are many from the United States. Maybe we'll take one over here. So, I have been in New York once, one time, for quite a long time ago, in Trump Tower, and yeah, you know, the only time I have been. Otherwise, I have been a lot of country in Europe. Poland, Denmark, Norway, England, Germany, Yugoslavia, Spain, Turkey. That was when I was young. So, we do like this. Yeah, good. Now they are upside down. They have to have been upside down, this one, because I want this to show. Uh-oh, look. Maybe we should have a string of glue over there. So, my lady, it's a really fun to do. So, thank you for watching. Bye.